Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss sound wave and echo test of heart. Sound wave and echo test of heart. What is echo test? Echo test actually is done by an instrument that is called echocardiogram. An echocardiogram uses sound waves to create pictures of the heart. This common test can show blood flow through the heart and heart valves. Pictures can be used to find heart disease and other heart conditions. During each test, ultrasound of high frequency sound wave from a handheld wand, WAND, handheld wand is placed on the chest to take picture of heart's valve and chambers. This helps to evaluate the pumping action of our heart. Echocardiography utilizes properties of sound wave interaction with human tissues called reflection and scattering. Process is called reflection and scattering. The human body consists of various tissues, each with a different composition and density that result in a sound related property called acoustic impedance that is specific to the tissue. What is the main purpose of echocardiogram or echo test? An echocardiogram can help diagnose and monitor certain heart condition. It checks the structure of the heart and surrounding blood flows and analyzing how blood flows through them and assessing the pumping chambers of the heart. An echocardiogram can help diagnose and monitor certain heart conditions. It checks the structure of the heart and surrounding blood flows, analyzing how blood flows through them and assessing the pumping chambers of the heart. The sound waves are sent through the body with a device called transducer. The sound waves bounce off the heart and return to the transducer as echoes. The echoes are converted into image on a television monitor to produce pictures of our heart in motion. Means it forms moving picture or moving image of heart. After that, heart is checked. Condition of heart is analyzed. Here I want to discuss ultrasound or ultrasonograph. Here in ultrasound also or ultrasonograph, in both process sound wave is used. Sound wave of high frequency is used. What is the frequency of sound wave? Then here ultrasound wave have frequency higher than the actually how we will tell what is actually ultrasound What is the ultrasound? Then ultrasound wave have frequency higher than the upper limit for human hearing. After that limit, we can't hear. We can't hear the sound. Then ultrasound wave have frequency higher than the upper limit for human hearing, means above 20,000 hertz, HERTZ, above 20,000 hertz frequency, sound frequency above 20,000 hertz, HZ in shortcut, is called ultrasound. And actually ultrasound, by the use of ultrasound, we can determine, four things we can determine, mainly four things. First, measuring the size of the any small object inside the body. As for example, measuring the size of the fetus to determine the due date. Second, breast ultrasound to detect cancer. Breast cancer can be detected. Third, muscle and joint pain can be detected, why it is happening. And one more, that is the abdominal pain can be detected. And now just come to the this echo test. Actually here sound wave we are using of high frequency. Then is there any change in frequency? I want to tell about that. As long as the source and the wall are stationary, means fixed, the reflected frequency will be identical, no change in frequency. As long as the source and the wall are stationary, means fixed, the reflected frequency will be identical to the original sound. Since the sound is traveling in two directions, first from the source and second back from the wall, peaks and null will form. First it will go from source and second it will come back from the wall. Peaks and null will form. And this is the starting of forming the picture or diagram. In this process, we get moving diagram, moving picture of heart. 2D echo test is done. What is 2D echo test? What is a 2D? What does here D means? Then here D means dimension. D means dimension. Just by simple example, I want to tell you. If one point is there, simple one point, that is called 0 dimension. If only one line is drawn, then it is called single dimension, one dimension. If two lines is drawn, means length and breadth, both are drawn, then this is called two dimension. Two dimension, length and breadth, both you can see how much length is there, how much breadth is there. But you want to know the thickness, then 3D is used, means length, breadth, height or depth, whatever be. Then that time it is called 3 dimension. Then here in echo test, 2D echo test is done. Then 2D echocardiography, popularly called 2D echo, is a non-invasive test, means it will not spread. 2D echo test is a non-invasive test used to analyze the functioning and assess the section of our heart. This test gives image of different parts of the heart with the help of sound vibration. Just like a string, if you put you can say little force to the string, it will vibrate. Or in water you have seen, if you throw some stone, then there will be vibration in water layer. Okay, then that is actually vibration. Then here in this test in means 2D test I am talking about. This test gives a image of the different parts of the heart with the help of sound vibration. It assists in checking damage, blockage and blood flow rate. Then by the help of 2D echo test, we know first I told you checking damage, second blockage and third blood flow rate. Now what are the main parts of the heart? I just want to introduce. Okay, so this heart has roughly 13 important parts. 13 parts. First part is aorta, aorta. Aorta is the first part. Second is the superior vena cava auricle, auricle, auricle. Third, right coronary or right atrium. Fourth, interior vena cava. Fifth, that is a tricuspid valve. Sixth, right ventricle. Seventh, pulmonary valve. 8, pulmonary arteries or pulmonary trunk. 9, left coronary artery. 10, bicuspid valve, also called mitral. 11th, left anterior descending artery. And 12th, ventricular septum. And 13, left ventricle. These are the important parts of the heart. Roughly 13 are there. 13 important parts. And 4 valves comes under that. What are that 4 valves? Generally it gets affected in heart problem. Then first is tricuspid valve. Second is pulmonary valve. Third is aortic valve. Fourth is bicuspid valve, also called mitral. Tricuspid, tri means 3 and bi means 2. Then first valve is that is coming under 13 only. First valve is tricuspid valve. Second, pulmonary valve. Third, aortic valve. Fourth, bicuspid valve, also called mitral. Then these I told, these are the important parts of the heart, and only these gets affected during a heart problem. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.